You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to enable dark mode in WhatsApp on your Android phone. Open the WhatsApp app and tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings, tap on Chats. Next, tap on Theme. Here you will see three options: Light, Dark, and System Default. Tap on Dark. The app will immediately switch to a dark gray and black color scheme. This applies to your chat backgrounds, menus, and settings screens, reducing eye strain in low light. For more customization, you can go back to your phone's system settings. Open your Android settings, tap Display, then Theme. If your phone has a system-wide dark theme, you can enable it there. Then, in WhatsApp, select System Default in the Theme menu. WhatsApp will now automatically follow your phone's theme setting, switching between light and dark mode accordingly. Remember, dark mode does not affect the color of individual chat bubbles from your contacts. Those remain green for others and gray for you. It only changes the overall app interface. You can switch back to light mode at any time by returning to WhatsApp settings, then chats, then theme, and selecting light. For more simple WhatsApp tutorials, subscribe to the channel.